Back to another episode of Sunday Funday where we review our M1 Roth IRA spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. For the month of May, we were able to deposit a total of $1,700 into our Roth IRA. As far as the purchases go, we were able to add about almost 5 shares of VTI and a total of 30.5 shares of QYLD. With those purchases, our future total dividend amounts will be $18.64 for VTI and $30.25 for QYLD. So with those two purchases, it also is going to increase the growth of the portfolio and the cash flow portion of the portfolio. The portfolio is currently up almost $4,000, and we have received a total of $427 worth of dividends altogether. For the month of May, as far as dividends go, we received $15.46 from SPHD, and we also received $3.29 from VCLT. As you see, the trend is still going down with SPHD. We're going to give it about one more month before we decide if we're going to sell some of the shares and buy something else with it. All in all, I'm pretty excited at how it's been going so far this year. We're almost halfway through the year, and we have almost fully funded our Roth IRA for the year. I believe we only have $400 more we need to deposit. Yep, we have $400 more to go. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and a growth portfolio within M1 Finance. We've been trying to keep most of our money within our tax-advantaged accounts, which is our Health Savings Account and our Roth IRA. Altogether, we're up about $6,600, and we've got a little over $31,000 invested. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more investing videos, or if you want to watch other investing videos, make sure you check out the sidebar. Thanks for watching.